morning, teachers. I am Russell Canby Aliasas, and we are the Group 1. In the first quarter of the Grade 8 curriculum, students will explore the fascinating world of cell organelles and the levels of organization and living things. To enhance their learning experience, we will integrate virtual reality, digital boards, and artificial intelligence or AI technology. Using virtual reality, students will have the opportunity to immerse themselves in three-dimensional environment where they can explore the inner workings of cell organelles. They can observe the intricate structures and functions of organelles such as the nucleus, mitochondria, and chloroplast. This immersive experience will provide a deeper understanding of how these organelles contribute to the overall functioning of cells. Digital boards will be utilized to enhance classroom discussions and presentations. Students will interact with visual representations of cell organelles and levels of organization, making their learning more engaging and interactive. By integrating virtual reality, digital boards, and AI technology, we aim to create an immersive and interactive learning environment that enhances the students' understanding of cell organizations and level in the living things. By integrating virtual reality, digital boards, and AI technologies, we aim to create an immersive and interactive learning environment that enhances the students' understanding of cell organelles and level of organization in the living things. This innovative approach will foster curiosity, critical thinking, a deeper appreciation for the complexity of life at the cellular level.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. My name is Lilini Abiada of Group 1. In second quarter of grade 8 curriculum, the Earth system is a complex interconnected network of physical, chemical, and biological processes that work together to sustain life on our planet. It includes the atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, and biosphere, all of which interact and influence each other in various ways. Integrating virtual reality and artificial intelligence technologies into the study of the Earth system can revolutionize the way students and grade 8 science learn about our planet. VR technology allows students to immerse themselves in realistic simulation of Earth process, such as weather patterns, geological formation, and ecosystem. This hands-on experience enhances their understanding and retention of scientific concepts. AI, on the other hand, can analyze vast amounts of data collected from Earth observation and experiments, providing insight and prediction that helps students grasp the complexity of the Earth system. By harnessing AI algorithms, students can explore real-time data, conduct experiments, and make informed decisions based on scientific evidence.
Naomi Ruti Asuncion, Group 1. In the 8th grade, during the third quarter, students will explore the fascinating topics of force, motion, and energy, as well as the laws of motion. These concepts are brought to life through the integration of artificial intelligence and virtual reality technologies. By incorporating AI and VR, students can engage in immersive and interactive learning experiences that enhance their understanding of these fundamental principles through hands-on experiments, simultaneous and virtual demonstration. Students can visualize and analyze the effect of forces, observe motion in different contexts, and explore the transformation and conversion of energy. This innovative approach to learning empowers students develop a deeper appreciation for the laws of motion and their practical application in the real world. Fourth quarter, heredity, inheritance, and variation and reproduction is an exciting topic that explores how traits are passed down from parents to offspring. In this quarter, grade 8 students will have the opportunity to delve into the fascinating world of genetics and learn about the role of DNA in determining our characteristics. To enhance the learning experience, we'll integrate AI or artificial intelligence and VR or virtual reality technologies. It will provide students with personalized learning resources, adaptive assessment, and interactive simulation, allowing them to grasp complex concept more effectively. VR, on the other hand, will transport students into immersive virtual environments where they can observe genetic processes firsthand and explore the wonders of reproduction. By combining these cutting-edge technologies with the study of heredity and reproduction, grade 8 students will gain a deeper understanding of how life is perpetuated and how genetic variation contribute to biodiversity. This integration of AI and VR will make learning more engaging, interactive, and memorable, preparing students for the future where technology plays an increasingly significant role in education.